To it, this is my watch list for this upcoming week. And boy, oh boy, I have some bangers. These trades right here that I'm about to go over, man, they could potentially do some pretty big numbers, especially the top two. And I'll be going over both of those. So let's start with AI. I mean, everyone has been talking about AI for the longest, but I wanted to wait on momentum, right? So I always talk about my power candles and how effective they are. They're letting you know when momentum is really kicking in and institutions are buying this thing up. You can tell by the volume down here is greater than average volume that kicked in Friday. And if you pay attention, we had a massive drop here, right, on AI. So that's when a lot of people, they sell whatever they get out of it, they forget about it, right? But traders like me, I'm ready to buy it up as it's crossing this 50 simple moving average. That's letting me know at least for the next 30 days, so next month or so, we're going to continue to slowly move up, fill that gap. And I want to eventually take out this target here. Why? Because we have a two down, one, two up reversal on the month. All right. So AI is going to be fire. I'm looking at the $20 calls for 1017 and the 22.5 calls for 1121. So I'm buying time on these as well, giving it time to play out, right? Because I eventually want this target. Because I believe, look, you can just tell they're going to start buying this thing all the way back up. Another one, similar setup. Look how identical that looks. Now, this is from an earnest call. It dropped from an earnest call, looks like, right? So like I said, people forgot about it, left it alone. Now institutions are coming back in, they're loving this stock, taking it back up. So I'm looking at the 12C, 1017, 15C, 1121, and I eventually want to get up here. When I did the math, I put it in my options calculator on the 12C by 1017, so 2 weeks. Let's just say if price pushed pretty hard, institutions take this all the way back up and take out their target, that's a 900% gain. Blew my mind. So even if we don't get there, we probably get like 200 or 300% off of those. We'll still have the $15 calls, right, for 1121. So at least by 1121, we hit this level. Okay, that'll be over 300% profit on those. So we can still at least come out, if it makes the move that it's supposed to make, come out like 300% here and 300% here. But I want that 900%. I want them to push this thing and gap up a few times and take out that level. Due to us also having a fail to down last month and a two up reversal this month. So price is looking to push all the way back up, fill the gap, take out that level. So those are my top two, my favorite two. I'm also looking at gold. This is going to be shorter term, right? Yeah, I'm looking to pretty much buy calls because they have loaded over 50 million in calls for 1010 expiration on gold, by the way. So on the daily, we have a 3-1. So it looks like this is going to give us a 3-1-2 up reversal above 358.14. We get above there, boom, we can take out that 360 and the 363. I'm not betting on that all the way, but I believe we can at least take out that 360, right? After market open. So give it a chance to trigger and then boom, take the trade. IONQ is my next one. I saw a nice setup on a weekly. We have a failed to down on the week. So as this new weekly candle comes in, it should take us over this level right here. And also wait for a trigger. No trigger, no trade. So if it doesn't trigger, right? If the week stay inside or go down, don't trade it. Leave it alone. Okay. We got other trades here, right? We got other bangers. So don't even sit there and wait. Just set your alerts. See, I have my alert set there. Set your alerts. It's important. How do you set alerts? Take the horizontal ray tool over here. You got a toolbox over here to your left. Put it at the high. Okay. Put it at the high and you can set your alert. All right. You can set your alert by clicking, and then this will pop up. Click the alert. Okay, simple as that. All right, so after it triggers, you can get the $80 calls, 1017. Let it ride up to about 79. It could blow past it, don't know, but at least we'll know, is according to price action, we'll have a two down, failed two down, two up reversal, right? Simple as that. Those are my top four. These are all bangers. Let's crush it this week like we do every week, team. Let's get it.